Hi, thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to your associate Alejandra the other day and just advised I was going to be sending over a video in regards to your website. The main goal today is to provide tips for increasing business and your online presence. I found your company while doing research of plumbers in your area. So today we're going to be talking about three different areas. We'll be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. So to begin with, content is anything that can be found on your web page. So this would include any words you're using, um, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. So in order to rank on Google or rank higher on Google, what they're looking for is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, the more content that you have, then the easier it is for you to implement keywords. Now, keywords are words that are used in a search engine to find a certain type of service or type of company. So it's most important to be using as many as you can and to have more keywords than your competitors. Or in this case, we would look to see what your competitors are using and use those same keywords to help you get more customers. The next would be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found on a web page. This could be through Angie's List, Facebook, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, for example, local directories as well. So you want to make sure that you have as many citations as possible or have more citation than your competitors. So one thing that I can do is see what your competitors have and then make sure that you're using those same directories and actually have more. Okay. So when I typed in plumbers in Richmond, California, this is what I found. So the first thing we see here would be these are companies that are paying, so we call these pay per clicks. They're paying to be in this area here. The next would be the map pack. Now the map pack is very important to be listed here. Generally, when people pull up a certain company, they will go directly over to the website or phone number of the companies that are listed here. So our goal would be to have you listed in this area as well. The next will be an organic search. Now, the organic search I'm showing here, so first would be Yelp or Angie's List. But the first company that we see will be Albert Naaman Plumbing. So that would be your top competitor. Now, I was able to find you on this list. You are on page 2 and you are ranking 15 at this time. So the next thing we'll take a look at would be as a tool that we use called Ahrefs. It shows how your website is doing. Now these numbers are not exact, but it is close enough to where we can see how the website is doing. So the first we look at would be backlinks. So I do show that you have over 3,000 backlinks. Now with backlinks, you want to make sure that the backlinks are quality. Not all are made the same. So for example, if you had a backlink coming from a restaurant website versus a hardware website, then that would bring a different amount of business to you. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic comes over to your website. The next would be organic words. I'm showing 53. This is bringing in roughly 11 people to your website per month and generating about $248 in revenue. So let's take a look at your organic words that you're using. So this is what people are typing in to find your company. So plumber in Richmond, California, you're ranking 11. Superior Drain, as I said, at 15. Bay Area Plumbing and Heating. Let's see, Superior Plumbing. So again, your name, Bay Area Plumbers. So these are just some examples of what people are typing in to actually find your website. And then this column over here just shows how you're ranking. So our goal is to have you ranking higher than where you are now. So let's take a look at your competitor's website. And this is the Albert Naaman Plumbing website. Okay, they are utilizing quite a bit of content there. And then let's take a look to see how their website is doing. Okay, so they have about 1,800 backlinks. They are using around 1,600 keywords, bringing in about 801 people to their website monthly and generating over $13,000 in revenue. And then here are their organic keywords that they're using. This is what people are typing in. So garbage disposal repair, plumbers in Oakland, tankless water heater maintenance, who to call to fix garbage disposal. And I see that they're ranking number 1 for that. And water boiler repairs. So these are just some of Peace of Mind Plumbing, some of the examples of what people are typing in. Again, we can always use the same keywords and implement them in your website to help you rank higher. So I hope that you enjoyed these tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would like to hear back from you either way, just to provide some feedback of the tips I provided. Thank you again for your time, and I hope you have a good day.